You want to eat healthy, move your body, take your supplements, sleep well, maybe even meditate. But the truth is, you also have a job, a family, a million things pulling at you. So you tell yourself, I'll start next week. But what if you didn't need a perfect schedule? Just a realistic routine that works for your real life? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built a simple, healthy, daily routine that works for busy people. Parents, professionals, people with zero time to waste. I'll break it down into 5 parts: morning, work block, afternoon, evening, and wind down. And yes, it includes meals, supplements, movement, and real relaxation. Let's dive in. Part 1. Morning routine. This isn't about waking up at 5 a.m. or running 10 miles before sunrise. This is about creating a calm, focused start to the day that sets the tone, in 30 minutes or less. Here's how I do it. Wake up. Drink 500 milliliters water with electrolytes. Step outside for 5 to 10 minutes of natural light. Light mobility. 3 to 5 minutes of stretching or deep breathing. Quick high-protein breakfast. Take key supplements. Magnesium. Omega-3 multivitamin. That's it. No scrolling, no chaos. Just intentional flow. You'll feel clearer, more grounded, and less reactive. Part 2. Work block routine. This is when most people crash, snack poorly, or get stuck in reactive mode. Here's my system. 90-minute deep work block, 2-minute movement snack. Every 50 minutes. Walk. Stretch. Refill water. Clean caffeine stack. To stay focused without. Jittery energy light snack around 11:30 a.m. A clean protein bar or Greek yogurt. Want to know what bar I actually use? Links below. No junk, no sugar bombs. Part 3. Midday family reset. This is your chance to fuel, move, and reset. 20 to 30-minute walk with a podcast or just silence. Light lunch, protein plus fiber plus fat. 5-minute mindfulness or breathing. Don't skip this. It's your nervous system reset. Even if your kids are home, include them. This isn't isolation, it's integration. Part 4. Evening routine. Here's where it often falls apart. You're tired, stressed, and tempted to scroll for hours. Instead, family dinner. Nothing fancy, just real food. My rule: 1 green, 1 protein, 20-minute shared movement, light walk, yoga, even silly dancing. Put your phone away 1 hour before bed. Non-negotiable. Part 5. Wind down. This is where true recovery happens. Magnesium or collagen before bed. Herbal tea plus book or gratitude journaling. 7 to 7.5 hours of real. An interrupted sleep, it won't always go perfectly, and that's fine. It's about consistency over perfection. Let's recap the core of this real-life wellness routine. Simple hydration plus light movement, intentional meals, plus protein focus. Work focus blocks with movement breaks, family connection, plus light activity calm, wind down with sleep prep. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need a routine that supports you instead of drains you. I've linked every product I personally use down below, from clean supplements to smart hydration tools to grab-and-go healthy snacks. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I post weekly wellness tools designed for real life, not fantasy Instagram routines.